Magandang gabi sa inyong lahat. Kami ang Team JMASC ng 40 Up. Kalaban po namin ngayon ang Dayo Series is BJMP ng JMA Cavite. Good luck sa team BJMP. Magandang laban po ito. Tune-up game lang po. Friendly game.
Sa mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat at welcome po dito sa ating match-up ngayon kasama ang JMA Sports Club at ang BJMP GMA. Sa pamumuno po ng aming Jail Warden, Jail Chief Inspector Christian P. Javier ay nagpapaabot ng good luck po sa ating lahat at mag-ingat po sa ating laro. Good luck po.
And this is to Abi Vival. Go good, driven by number 25. Nicholas Reyes. Set it up to play. Passing Jeffrey Arce for two. Two boys for Jeffrey Arce. We will tell it for Nicholas Reyes. Forward pass. Jeffrey Arce. To Akon is number 30. Easy to switch. Pass to number 7. Right. Easy lay by number 7. Right. 2 points. Abi Vival. Right. 2 points for Abi. Pass to number 2. Zubiaga. Russell Brook. Lays it in. 2 points shot. Zubiaga. Headed up the play. Pass to Jojo Apaso. To Johnny Guerrero sa loob. 2 volley. Pass to Roy Coino for 2. And the ball George Squatter. 14-12 in favor of GMASC. Again, ang GMASC Dayo Series Episode 4 ay mapapanood po natin sa YouTube and FB account. Then, pass to Jeffrey Arce. 2-point shot for Jeffrey Arce. Jordan pass to Sir Glenn umatake para power move by Sir Glenn. Number 164. Number 19. Luce Alibre. Napakarami ng libos Sir Glenn. Number 0, Paypal. Second quarter. Hotel Lagnayan, Cuba. Tukoyo, binalik kay Limongeras. 2 points. Coach Jack, pass to Coach Roy Coino. Pinasali kay Emma Limongeras. 2 points. Pass to Roy Coino. Cross-court to Jeffrey Arce. 2 points. Jeffrey Arce. Okay. Ang ganda naman ng pass ngayon. Sakto from number 7 to number 2. Still. And number 12. They have this good. Cross-court to Jeffrey Arce. Steal by number 7. Let the back. Matake. 2-point shot for Sir Glenn. Number 7. Let the back for 3. Sa gitna. Nasa kay Jojo Apaso for 2. 2-point shot for Jojo Apaso. Ito na yun. 2 points. Roy Coino. Naiiwan sa dos. And number 45 to number 21. Crossover look. Jojo Apaso. 2-point shot. Jojo Apaso. 3. Arce. Arce. Lamaki. Steal. Kay Roque. Counter steal by Handayan. Handayan. Diretso. Nakita si Eman. Eman pumeke. Apaso yan. No good. O kasi di ba Handayan? Coino. Alley-oop. Rodel Landayan 2. De los Reyes. Coase. Pinaso de Cleti. Abibibal 2. Cross court to Bruce. For 2. De los Reyes to Jimenez. Jimenez to Iban. Iban. 2 points. Happy for 2. Ako. Los Reyes. Wala na pong oras. End of our third quarter. Paso. Arce. Paso. No good. Receptivo by Arce. For 2. Jeffrey Arce 2. De Leon. De Leon sa middle of play. Kapalmaria. For 2. No good. Aggressive Primo by Tran. 2 points. Arce. For 2. Jeffrey Arce. Number 12. De Leon. De Leon number 25. Offensive rebound and a putback by Roque. De Leon. Pass to number 7. No good. Offensive rebound and a putback is good. Arce. Arce derecho. 2 points. Roque. To down. 2 points for Glendo down. Guerrero, Dani, Astro Poino, nakita sa gitna. 2 points siya. De Leon, no good. De Leon with that. And 1 for Glendo down. Astro Vival, derecho. Isi 2 points. Landayan, the ball. Landayan. Landayan, Subiana, over 2. Season 30 remaining. Landayan. Oyo, over 2. There, issue. Vival. 2 points. Landayan, sweet hook. For 2. Good, Vival. Aztec Subiana, 2 points. Congratulations to BMSC basketball team. And maraming salamat po BJMP for Valley City. And again, thank you po kay Councilor J.R. Polo para po sa venue for this night.
Maraming salamat po sa GMA Sports Club na bibigay ng opportunity sa mga player. Inanyayahan ko po ang lahat na mag-join po sa Dayo Series ng GMA Sports Club. At maraming salamat po sa Panginoon na binigyan mo kami ng ligtas na paglalaro. Yan lang po. Maraming salamat.